Hi, and welcome to I Love the Library. I'm your library director, Greta. I'm here with Lisa, our public services supervisor. We are going to share with you today some awesome events we have coming up at the very end of March and in April. So Wednesday, March 30th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we have a seed starting open house. This sounds familiar.
It should. We did have one of these last year as well, and it's in partnership with the Master Gardeners. But not to fear, if you'd been to the last year's one, this one is a little different in the sense that the Master Gardeners are actually going to be available to ask questions. So even if you aren't here to go to the seed starting open house, you can still talk to one of the Master Gardeners and ask your questions as well. But of course, you can also learn about seed starting, and you can learn how to make a newspaper pot and also different stations with how to label your seed rows with different decorative options. And yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. There'll be a to-go snack provided by the Becker County Friends of the Library as well.
That sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
So that's Wednesday, March 30th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's no cost to attend. Just come on down anytime. And again, if you just have a question that you would like to ask a Master Gardener, come for that reason.
Yeah, for sure. And next up on Tuesday, April 5th from 7 to 8, we have a virtual event with the Midwest Cookbook Author Panel. Greta, can you tell us a little more about that?
Absolutely. So we are going to have streaming. So this is a virtual event, a virtual panel with Zoe Francois. She is a Minnesota cookbook author. We have her books available if you want to check them out beforehand. Zoe bakes cakes, and she has another book about artisan bread in 5 minutes a day. And she will be in conversation with Beth Dooley, who is the author of In Winter's Kitchen and the Northern Heartland Kitchen. And so these two authors will talk about how they have been influenced by our local Minnesota produce, flavors, traditions, and the seasons of the upper Midwest. This program is made possible by funding from the Minnesota Arts and Cultural Heritage Fund. You don't need to register for it. You will just go online 7 o'clock Tuesday, April 5th to laurel.org/Midwest Cookbooks, or you can, if you visit our events calendar, there will be a link right there.
And if you can't make it on April 5th, you can still watch a recording through April 12th as well. And the event is moderated by the Food of the North co-founder and co-author of Midwestern Mediterranean, Megan Merdel. And I was looking at some of those cookbooks that these authors had written, such as Zoe Bakes and Cakes, and Zoe's hot chocolate cake looks phenomenal.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
And in the Northern Heartland Kitchen by Beth Dooley, it has a really cool feature that recipes are featured according to season. So one of the season ones for spring is the spring vegetable curry, and it looks phenomenal.
Nice. Well, that sounds like a great event. Another event you can check out, this will be in person Wednesday, April 13th at 7 o'clock, using herbs to soothe the body and soul. Lisa, who will we have coming in for this event?
So we will be having White Earth tribal member and holistic health practitioner Tony Napier coming. She's going to be giving us an informational presentation on herbs that are utilized in a tea that can assist the immune system in times of cold and flu, but also she's going to talk about a stress-soothing tea too, because as we know, life has been kind of stressful lately, at least for some of the people. And she'll also provide samples of both of these teas. And in case you're wanting to potentially travel, we do have another event in April as well, right, Greta?
We do. So Tuesday, April 26th, our library club will be joined by local residents Marcia and Greg Potvin, who spend each part part of each year traveling the world, and they're going to be giving a presentation about their experiences to Iran. That will be, I'm sure they'll share lots of pictures. You'll have a chance to ask your questions. We'll have musical entertainment by Holly Heiserer and Dots Johnson. And this is Library Club, so it's free and open to anybody, but you can join Library Club. Anyone can join Library Club for just $3 a year or $50 for a lifetime membership. But come to Library Club and learn more about how to join, or just come for this presentation.
And thank you for watching all of these events. And if you have any questions, just go to laurel.org or visit our Facebook page, the Detroit Lakes Public Library, and we hope to see you at these events.